Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Let's Do This and my name is Divya, and I felt like introducing myself and the channel because I have been gone for a while. I don't even remember the last time I posted. Please don't skip the video, watch it. So because I have been shooting after this long time, I am a little nervous, and if I seem a little off, it is because I am nervous. I reckon that you notice a little change in the setup, in the background. This is because I have shifted to a new city. I am done with the college. You saw in my convocation video. If you haven't, I'll link it down below. After my college, I shifted to this new city and I am working here. So this setup is in my apartment. So I basically shifted from a hostel room to an apartment. All of this happened while I was on YouTube. Sometimes missing, but I was with you. You understand me, right? You do, right? Anyways, cutting all of that short, let's get on to this video without any further ado. Let's do this. You have guessed it right. This video is about online shopping, the tips and tricks, and why should you shop online. First and the foremost thing is that you can get a huge collection. For example, even if you go to a mall which has basically all of the brands, you won't be able to see all of those at the same time, but you can do it while you are on your phone or your laptop or an iPad or whatever. You can look at basically anything you would want in any price range you want, in any brand that you want, any color, any texture. Oh my god, the options are maddening. More than that, you don't have to walk, you don't have to leave your comfort zone, you don't have to dress up, and you don't have to take anybody along with you for shopping. You can just do it wherever, however, in whichever setup you would want to do it. And if you are a broke ass person like me, you can also do one thing. You can go to a store to buy something, and you can also look at the prices in your phone, which is basically called showrooming. You can do that, and if you get a better deal online, you just tell them that, oh, I do not like anything, and you can just go back to your place and order that online, and oh my god, you are a genius. So without further ado, let's get to the haul. Let me show you a bunch of stuff that I got. I am not going to show you everything because I don't want to bore you to death, but I have been shopping like a crazy person. So I'm going to show you some of those things, and also I will keep on dropping a few tips and tricks here and there, so you'll have to watch the video. I am a genius. I'm going to start with this basic slightly woolen sort of a light sweater. This is from Veromoda. I will try and link all of the things that I'm showing here. If I'm not able to, please don't hate me. And I also bought a very similar sweater, also from Veromoda, in a very basic peach color. Definitely, this is not a summer top. It is something that you should wear in the beginning of the winter, which is the time right now. And I guess this was also around 1,000 rupees. Then next, I bought this kurta from Aurelia. This is a very basic kurta. It is originally priced at 900, and guess how much did I buy it for? Only 300 rupees. Yes, I did. When you shop online, just make a filter and choose your size. Sometimes when only one piece is left, and especially in your size, you can get crazy deals. You can get it up to more than 70% off. Next, I bought two shirts. This is the one from Arrow. It has straight lines and some self-design. This was originally priced at 1,700, and I bought this for 650. Yes, I am not kidding. I will put up a link for this. So beautiful, and it fits perfectly, and I bought it for more than 50% off. Next, I bought a similar formal shirt. This is in blue color, and this is Van Heusen. It is for 1,500, and I again bought it for 650 rupees. Oh my god. Please don't skip the video. I completely exploited the Big Billion Days sale and the Great Indian Festival sale. So I used that. I think all of this shopping is from either Amazon or Flipkart. I really trust them, And because they have this amazing offers, for example, Flipkart gives you out this pay later option where you can shop up to 5,000 rupees without any transactions. So it's just so hassle free. You don't have to pay anybody anything, and you don't have to wait for 2 to 3 business days to get your money back. And also Flipkart has this amazing thing called no interest EMIs, where you can buy expensive stuffs and like an Indian person you can just pay a little by little, and where you don't have to pay any interest. So I think that is the best deal you can ever wish for. Further, I'm gonna show you this really cute blouse. So just imagine this being tied up as a ribbon. So I'm gonna put a picture of how this will actually look like. And again, this is for 1300 and I bought this for 650 or 700, not more than that. I always imagined myself working in a corporate sector and wearing such frilly blouses with these black skinny A-line skirts, and this was always my dream. Even for placement season, I wanted to dress up in pencil skirts and blazers, but nobody in my college did that, so I just went with a trouser. But never mind, now is the time where I can pair this beautiful frilly top up with this cute A-line skirt, and whenever I do pair it up, I'll definitely post a picture on my Instagram account, which is again linked here, or please check my description box to follow me on my Instagram and even Facebook page. You can do that. I found these really adorable and something out of this world, because I have honestly never seen this sort of a shoe anywhere. It is this maroon colored shoe with a block heel. Isn't this gorgeous? So this was available in black, blue, grey and maroon, and this just felt like so nice. Comment down below how many of you would want to buy or wear this shoe. This is a piece of art. So next pair of shoe is this very classic and beautiful design, which is this. I've already had 2 or 3 pairs of these heels, but you can never have enough heels with you. This is, yes, 100% velvet, so it is going to be hard to keep it clean, but I'm sure I can do it. I got these for 750 and the maroon shoe as well was for 750. And there's this another pair of shoe that I have started wearing, but I am going to show it to you because it is just a classic. So these flats look adorable, and they almost go with every outfit. And the most surprising part about these is that these are from Bata. I mean, Bata has started making really cute stuff. Yeah, I have shown you most of the stuff, and I'm skipping out the things that I've worn before, and also the things that I thought would look really cute but did not, so I had to return it. Few things that I just received today and I have not even unpacked is this very cute Boat super bass earphones. These are originally priced at about, oh my god, this is for 1,000 bucks. I bought this for 350. I will listen from these and I will definitely post about the sound quality of these earphones because they definitely look so pretty. I hope they sound good as well. Alright, so the last thing that I bought in this super sale season was my new phone. This is a Realme 2. I wanted to do an unboxing video for this Realme 2, but I could not. So anybody who is planning to get a new phone, a budget phone, and if you're looking for Realme 2, then definitely go for it. It's an amazing phone for the price. The only setback is the camera, but then again, you cannot expect everything from such a budget phone. Everything else is perfectly fine with this, just the camera. I don't like the camera. For that I have this camera. So yes, I think that is it for the haul. This is all the stuff that I am left with right now, currently packed. So yes, I will post a lot of pictures wearing all of this, so please connect with me on my Instagram account, which I will definitely mention in my description box. A couple of tips that I am still left with are, whenever there's a sale, definitely fill out your wish list beforehand. And if also you want to be extra cautious, then take a screenshot of the prices of the things that you have put in your wish list, so that you at least have an idea of how much the prices have dropped to. If the sale starts from 12 p.m, just get online before 12 p.m, because that is when they have crazy deals. And yes, sometimes the prices are slashed by more than 50%. And even if you feel like it was a bad deal and that you don't like it, you can just return it. There is always an option of returning. So at least you won't be left with a feeling that, man, I wanted it, I should have bought it. I used to do this for other sites, not Amazon and Flipkart, because they don't have delivery charges. If there is a minimum value that you have to cross to get your package delivered without any delivery fees, just fill your cart up to that amount. You can get your stuff, things that you wanted, and these extra things you added just to get your cart up to that level. You can get those things and you can return the things that you did not want. So basically you will end up with the things that you wanted, and also you do not have to pay any extra delivery charges. That is another thing that I do. It is rude, it is mean, I know, but sometimes I am broke as hell and I need to save every penny that I have. And the last and the final tip is to use coupons. I cannot stress this enough. I learned this from a friend. She definitely shops online a lot more than me. So what she used to do was fill up her cart and then Google coupons, and she would apply those coupons, and most of the time it worked. Even if you get 200 off, 300 off, or some sort of a cashback, it is always worth it. So definitely, if you have those options, please use it, because many a times we don't, and it is basically just ignoring free money. Why would you ignore free money? It is your hard-earned money. Don't ignore it. So yes, that was it for the haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope my video was helpful. If it was not helpful, at least it was fun to watch. And please leave down comments and suggestions on what would you want to see next, and what is your go-to online shopping tip. Please help out others as well. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care and bye.